Today in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the argument for vlog versus blog. For those who aren't familiar with the terms, vlogging is the practice of making video content and publishing it on the internet, whilst blogging is the process of creating written content and publishing it online as well. Both mediums have their own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to understand them before deciding which one to use for your content creation. Let's start with vlogging. Vlogging provides a creative outlet where individuals can showcase their talents, skills, and creativity. It allows people to express themselves in unique ways and share their ideas and perspectives with others. It can create a sense of community and connection between content creators, and as people watch and engage with the vlogger, they can develop a sense of belonging and form a relationship with others who share similar interests. One of the biggest benefits of vlogging is the personal connection you can establish with your audience. When you're on camera, your audience can see and hear you. This can help build a deeper connection. Video is generally more engaging than written content, and it can hold the attention of a person for a longer period of time. Another advantage of vlogging is the ability to convey emotions and tone through your video. With facial expressions, body language, and tone of your voice, you can communicate your message in a more impactful way rather than just using words on a page. Vlogging can be used to build a personal brand, which can lead to new opportunities and collaborations with other brands. By consistently creating content that aligns with their brand values, vloggers can establish themselves as experts in their field. But what about blogging? Well, the biggest benefit of blogging is the ease of creation. With just a computer and internet connection, you can start writing and publishing your content straight away. Written content is sometimes easier to consume, for example, when you can't play a video in public, instead you can skim through the text, and this can be beneficial for busy readers. Another advantage of blogging is the ability to optimize your content for search engines. Increasing your SEO score by using keywords and meta descriptions, you can improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website. This can help increase your visibility online and reach a larger audience. Another factor of content creation is longevity. Blog posts have a longer lifespan compared to video posts. They can continue to generate traffic and leads long after they have been published. This makes blogging a valuable long-term strategy for building an online presence and attracting new viewers. So which one is better? In my opinion, this isn't the right question. Some of your audience might prefer video content over written content, and some might choose to read over watching video. Why not publish both types? It really depends on your goals and the type of content you want to create. If you're looking to establish a personal connection with your audience and communicate emotions and more engaging types of content, then vlogging might be better for you. On the other hand, if you're looking to produce content quickly and optimize it for search engines, then blogging might be the way to go. What would your audience want? Ultimately, it's up to you to decide which medium works best for you and your audience. Experiment with both and see what resonates best. And remember, no matter which option you choose, creating high-quality content should always be your top priority. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has brought you some useful content or even inspired more questions. If you have any questions or comments, do feel free to leave them below. For further information on this topic, click the link in the description for our blog. Or if you're already on the blog page, we hope you enjoy the read.